Hey friends, if keyboard volume keys are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the keyboard. Now there is no switch to reset the keyboard, but here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the what do we say time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region in the right pane, and then you can what do we say move up any other language other than the one which is a default one. Mostly it is English USA, and then make the first language, the earlier language, default again. So when you swap these languages twice, basically the end result will be the same, but the keyboard will be reset this way. Was this helpful? So if it wasn't, then the next one would be to update keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboards. Right click on the first keyboard device. Select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. Okay. And if it doesn't work, then right click on the keyboard. Select Uninstall Device. Click on Action and scan for hardware changes. This will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.